Ayan guys, kumukulo na yung ating ginataang pagi or shark. Ayan. Kainan na. Let's eat the pagi. Baby shark, eat. Patikman natin. First time niyang makakain ng pagi, guys. The baby shark. Tingnan natin kung anong masasabi niya. What's the taste, Labby?
Hot.
Good? So, she wants the baby shark, the pagi, pating. Yes, that's it, guys. Let's eat, guys. This is the pating, pagi. That's it. It's good. It's been 3 years since I last tasted the pagi or baby shark. It's good. Sarap, ginataan natin. Sarap. Lasa sang tuna. Yung skin niya masarap. Yummy. Delicacy to sa guys, Bicol. Sa amin sa Cagayan, kinakain namin to. Kinakain din namin. Sarap. Tapos ito yung bones niya. Oh. Para siyang cartilage. Pwede mo itong, actually pwedeng kainin to eh. Tapos medyo matigas na siya. Next time bibili ulit tayo. By the way, sa Adong natin to nabili. Asian store. Harap.